Hello, welcome you all. Today we are continue our legal service delivery series, and in lecture 3 we are going to discuss what is legal matter management. Okay, in detail we are going to discuss how the legal service delivery will automate the legal workflow for any organizations, and in this lecture we are going to discuss the legal matter management. So kindly watch the video till the end. If you still not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share with your colleagues so that people can aware about the legal service delivery and learn the legal service delivery in ServiceNow platform. So the agenda of this lecture is today we will learn what is the legal matter management. If you still not watch my previous videos where we discuss the legal request management and the introduction of the legal service delivery, I will provide you the link in the descriptions. Please watch those videos as well so that you will have a better understanding of this lecture. So the agenda of this lecture, what is the legal matter management, what is how to create the legal matter templates configurations, okay, template, and the how can we assign the legal matters, and how the legal person like legal advocate can work on the legal matters, or the legal agents can work on the legal cases, and how many tables are installed during the legal matter management operations, and what are the different user roles we have. And as usual at the end I am going to demonstrate by my personal development instance to give you the overview of the legal matter management. Okay, so guys, what is legal matter management? Okay, legal matter management is actually it's an application, okay, which enables you to complete the legal request from the cross departmental tasking and automate the cross departmental workflow mechanism to support the document and track the important milestone within the legal department. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the legal matter management. Let's say if any legal request need a cross departmental information, cross departmental help, or the is there any dependency on the cross departmental workflow, then we are using the legal matter management. So in the legal matter management we have a few predefined matter already available in the system. Okay, and we can also create our custom matters as per our the business requirement. Okay, so it embedded the record level security and maintain the confidentiality and the sensitive information, because you know this is a very highly confidential and sensitive matter. So our main agenda to secure and maintain the confidentiality and the sensitive information of the record. So this is the legal management, and so that we can define and standardize the workflow for various matter types using matter template. Okay, so this is the legal matter management. I hope the definition is clear to you. If in one line I would like to say, legal matter management enable the cross departmental tasking and workflow to track and complete the legal matter milestone within a legal request management. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now I also put the another definition as well, like a legal matter management is a ServiceNow, is a feature within the ServiceNow. Like as I told you, it is a dedicated module which you provide the organization with a centralized system to manage the legal matter, track the legal expenses, and ensure the compliances and the matter requirement. Okay, and the comprehensive and end-to-end solution for the legal matter management. Okay, with the legal matter management, legal team can efficiently manage legal cases. Legal cases means legal request cases, track the case progress, like using the work notes and the additional comments. Easily we can track and communicate to the agents, collaborate with the organizational manner, and additionally that feature enable the real-time reporting. We have a real-time update of the all legal cases, so that will help a lot to driven decisions with respect to the organization and the particular case. Okay, and legal matter management also help the organization to streamline the legal process and reduce the cost and improve the compliance, enabling them to focus on the most important aspect of the work. So I hope what is the legal matter management, how it is important, it's clear to you. Okay, each legal matter management contain the milestone, okay, and the legal matter templates. We will discuss in depth while we are going to demonstrate, but this is the overview so that you can understand what is the legal matter management. Okay, how to create the legal matter. So first you need to understand what is the legal matter. Legal matter means any story or the any particular organization standard format is called a legal matter. Like we are going to any district and we need a affidavit. Each affidavit has their own standard. Okay, like a proper standard and a proper confirmation and promise. Similar, every letter, every contract, if I am talking about in the legal term, every contract drafting has a proper way. Okay, so similar in that is in ServiceNow, it's called a legal matter. So in ServiceNow we have a some predefined legal matters are already installed and some we need to configure as per our the business requirement. The legal matters, let's say we are generating the offer letter, it's also such type of contract or the matter. Okay, so and like we are tender, we are asking for the bid, so we need a bid in a particular format, we have a predefined format, that is also called a legal matter. Okay, we have a different legal matter, like we have criminal legal matter or finance legal matter, we have like other any type of the legal matters we have. Now how to create the legal matter in service? Now we can create the paralegal stuff, or the lawyer can promote a legal request to the legal matter. Okay, suppose that we receive a one request and we want to add that particular matter to that request, then we can like we means the lawyer or the paralegal staff, I mean the legal staff from your organization can promote that to the legal matter if the request need additional investigation and the substantial time to the time work on. Okay, so let's say you receive there is a one legal request which need a additional investigation and the further requirement, so we can convert it to the, like not convert, we can promote it to the legal matters. Okay, so there is the only two persons, the authorized lawyer, I mean who is working on that particular request, or the paralegal staff who is authorized to promote, only can create the legal matter in a service. Second, the practice area lead can create a legal matter directly. Practice area lead means there is a like a we have a 5-person advocate, but there is a one director of advocate, like a senior advocate, or the ex judiciary person has authority to create the direct lead. So we can say the practice lead can directly create the matter, do not have any parent legal request. Okay, first matter is directly associated to the first matter is associated to the legal request, but we can also directly create the legal matter if needed, in case the parent legal request is not related. Okay, so we can directly add the matter as well. So this is, there are the two way to create the legal matters in ServiceNow. Okay, so how to create, I mean what is the steps we need to follow to go to the legal matter? Nothing, as usual, we go to the navigation bar, and in the navigation bar we need to search the legal matters. There is a particular application will be enabled, that application contain the some modules. Okay, sub applications. So similar, in that application we will also legal matter template means, as I told you, we can apply a legal matter template to promoting from a legal case that contain the predefined data such as phases, task, ownership and approval. As I told you, every contract has a predefined nature, I mean the drafting. Every organization has their own way of drafting of the contract. Similar, each legal matter has of each phase. Okay, task, who is the owner and the approval. So these are the things which are the predefined. So how to create the template? We will go to the navigation bar, search for the particular name like a legal matter or the template. Then under that we have a template, and only the authorized person can create the new template or configure the existing template. So these are the few fields while we are going to create the template. First is a number. What is number? It's a system generated template number. Like in HR cases we are getting the HRC, in legal request we are getting the LRC. Similar, every table in ServiceNow has their unique identity number. So this is the number. What is name? We are giving the template name. Flow, if any workflow is associated with that matter. What are the different state, active, intake from mapping, and the default section under the template we can define something. So it is a normal fields, and I have given the description of the each and every field. You can stop the video and watch, and you can take a screenshot for your reference. Okay, so how to assign a legal matter group or a user? Okay, it's a normal assigning process. Generally we are creating the assignment rules on the basis of the legal issue nature, but we can also, the legal counselor can also route to the request to the particular legal group or the user. It's a normal process like any incident or the HR case routing, all these things we can manage through the assignment rules or as per our the business requirement, or the directly we can assign to the group or the user as per our business need. Again, it's again configurable. It's a basic thing. I am not going to deep in this how to route up, I mean assign a legal matter group or request. Okay. So now we are going to the work on legal matter. So we have a assignee. Okay, we have a assignee who is working on that option. Like we have option to assign to me. Okay, we can take it. Okay, and as a collaborator we also have an option, so we can collaborate something if we want. If we are in the watch list and want to collaborate something on the particular request, then we can also update our update in the work notes. Okay. So now coming to the what are the different tables installed. Okay, so these are the main tables while you are installing the legal matter management. These are the main out of the box tables which are installed in your instance while you are working on the legal matter management. First is the artifact content type, okay, which store the content used by the categorized matter artifacts. Okay, we have a approver group. Okay, store user groups who can approve legal matter templates. Okay, this is a particular group which approve the legal matters templates. Okay, external storage legal artifacts. Okay, legal artifact table is the important table which collect the matter. Okay, which collect the legal matter. We have a legal matter template which store the legal matter. Okay, so legal matter core, legal matter phases, as I told you, we have a legal matter phases, we have a legal matter task. So each and everything has a different table. So these are the main tables I mentioned here. You can take a screenshot and remember these are the main tables which we are going to play. Okay, legal matter task, legal matter artifact, legal matter template, and the meta template. Okay, so these are the few tables. Now last at the end, the legal matter management user role. So we have a like a different type of users. First is a legal user. Legal user is the basic role, okay, which has a specific functionality and data within a legal service delivery. They can create, update, and track the legal request, review and approve the contract, and manage the legal cases. So legal users you can say as a legal agent. If in a normal term you would like to say, then we can call him as a legal agent or the normal legal user who can create, update, and track the legal request. Now, who is the legal manager? Legal manager is responsible for managing the legal service delivery process. They can assign task to the local user, I mean the legal user, not local, sorry, legal user, and approve or reject the legal request. Say, as a normal person, I raise a one request. Okay, I receive as a legal manager, I have authority to approve that legal request or reject that legal request and monitor the cases. So this is the higher role as compared to the user. Okay, now we have a contract manager. Contract manager role is responsible for managing the contract and ensuring they are compliances with the legal requirement. They can create, update, and approve the contract. Okay, and the expiry dates. And then we have a legal counsel. This is the top hierarchy role. Okay, in the legal department, which is responsible for providing the legal advice and the support to the legal service delivery team. They can review legal request and contract. Okay, so provide the guidance on legal issues and participate in legal negotiation. Now we have a system administrator. This is the, this is a platform owner role. This is the top highest role, who can configure and manage the entire system and legal service delivery and create, update, and rule and manage the ACLs and everything. So this is the, as usual, this is the top hierarchy role in the user management. But you need to remember 3 4. First is the legal user, legal manager, contract manager, and the legal counsel. The legal counsel is the one of the top hierarchy role in the legal service delivery. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now as usual, I am going to demonstrate you. Okay, I am going to demonstrate you in practical in my personal development instance. Okay, and if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you have any query related to this, you can ping me, email me. This, I also provide my WhatsApp number in the description. You can message me, call me anytime. I am happy to help you whatever I can do for you. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now I'm going to demonstrate you in my PDI personal development instance. Thank you. Friends, this is my personal development instance. So as we learn in a theoretical session, in the presentation, I will teach you the legal matter management. So we learn about what is legal matter management, how the legal matter management is created, okay, how the legal matter is associated with the phases, different milestone and the legal task, okay, and how can we create the legal templates, okay. So all of these things which we learn in the theoretical session. Now as usual I am going to demonstrate you. So when you are you want to start work on the legal matter management, first you need to install the plugin, okay, legal plugin. So for the plugin installation, if you still not watch my previous videos, please go to the description. You will get a link of my last videos. Watch those videos so that you will get an overview of the legal service delivery, how to install the plugin, and so that the legal matter management application will be enabled to you. So I'm coming to the point. I have set the legal applications in my favorite menu. So as you can see, I have a 4 5 legal applications which I set in my favorite menu, like a legal administration, legal request, legal matter, legal practice, and the legal catalog. Okay, so I am going to expand the legal matter. So we have learned about the legal matter. So legal matter, some of the legal matter are the predefined and some we needs to create as per our business requirement, okay. So if you remember, we can create the legal matter from two way, okay. First, from the legal request. So this is the standard way which generally every organization are following. Like, we are creating a one record producer, and through the record producer we are creating a one request, and that legal request go to the legal user who is going to work on that request, and if needed then they promote the legal request into the legal matter, okay. And then the legal matter is containing the different phase, milestone, and the task. So if you go to the legal matter, there is a different sub modules: assigned to me, collaboration, unassigned, all, my matter, okay. So before going to proceed you further, I would like to explain the first basic things in the existing legal matter, so that you can aware what are the basic parameters, what are the basic fields we are getting in the legal matter. Existing legal matter I am showing you. After that I will go to create a one legal request from the portal, from the standard way, and show you how to do that, okay. So guys, this is the existing legal matter, which number is the LM000105. So generally all legal matter are start with the prefix of the LM, so that you can easily identify that this is the legal matter. So it is and the life cycle of the legal matter is the new. When the legal matter is created, it is under the new. Then the assign, if any that legal matter is assigned to any user or the any employee. Then if the that agent is start working, then it is routed to the work in progress, and as usual if it is completed, then we can close it, okay. So this is the life cycle of the legal matter. Generally all legal matter are associated with the legal request, but if you remember, legal counselor has a capability to directly create the legal matter without associating to the legal request as well, okay. So we can create the legal matter in two way. First, with association of the legal request. Second, directly created the legal matter by the legal counselor, okay. So I hope it is clear to you. And in the legal matter form, you can see it is containing the basic information like a number, what is the practice area, category, and the what is the name for requested for, state, okay, and the group, assignment person, due date, short description, and description. These are the basic fields which each and every table is containing, okay. And each legal matter contain the phases, okay. So see, this contain the initial assessment, evidence collection, and the final action. These are the three phases. It is also containing the task as well, okay. It is containing the different six tasks, okay. So it also involve the party if party is needed, then artifact, and the milestone. So generally 4 5 parameters are the main important parameter of the legal matter. First is the phase, second is the task, third is the approver, if is there any approver, then the parties, okay, who are the different parties, then the artifact, and the milestone. These are the six part are the main major dependent part of the legal matter, okay. So now I am closing this, and I am going to show you how what is the standard procedure to create the legal matter, Okay, I mean how to map the how the legal matter is associated with the legal request. So the standard way, first we need to create a one record producer, which I already created for your reference. Okay, so what I need to do, I will just go to the legal service portal. Okay, I'm going to the legal portal, and this is the legal service portal where I have already created a one record producer with the name of ethics. Okay, so let's say I am just searching the ethics. I search the ethics. There is a one record producer which I created, which name is the ethics complaint. I click on this, the ethics complaint. I am just showing you this flow exactly same as the company behavior. If you go to the any company, this is the same standard which every organization is following. Okay, so I need to select the complaint type, like it is the financial, let's say accounting issue. Okay, so this is legal matter demo by Saket. Okay, so I need to collect the provide the approximate date. So I set the date and I submitted this. Okay, okay, so it is giving me the error. I mean the validation date should be earlier or the before. Let's say I am giving the 8. Okay, and I submitted it. When I submit it, it will create a one legal request and give me the legal request number. So you can see this is the legal request is created LR 0001002 by the system administration, that means by me. So I copy this number, it is assigned to the legal ethics group and the category is the ethics complaint. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going here and I search that number. So if you can see, this legal request is created. Okay, so this legal request is created and assigned to the legal ethics group. Okay, now with containing the basic information like category, subcategory and this form. So the state is new. Now as a legal counselor, assume that I am a legal counselor, I need to route this request, I need to assign this request to the one person, let's say Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so I am assigning this task, I mean the legal request, to the Abraham Lincoln. I set as Abraham Lincoln and I update it. Okay, when I update it, this request go to the Abraham Lincoln queue. Okay, is that clear? Now you can see the state is changed from new to the assigned. That means Abraham Lincoln, this ticket is assigned to the Abraham Lincoln, but still he is not starting the work. That's why state is still in the assigned state. Now I am impersonating as a Abraham Lincoln. Okay, I am impersonating as a Abraham Lincoln. Okay, and after that I am searching the same request. Okay, I am checking the same request which Abraham Lincoln is associated. Okay, I just search the legal, under the legal request. Okay, this is the legal matter, we have a legal request which are assigned to me. So let's say this is the last one. Okay, LR 0001002. So when I open this, we have a different UI actions are enabled for us, like start work, create matter, add to existing matter, transfer request and cancel request. So if we want to cancel that request, then as a user, as a legal user, we have a capability to cancel the request. If that is not relevant, then we can transfer to the another department within a cross departmental transfer. And we can, if we want to start the work, then we want to start the work. So I want to start the work. As you can see, currently there is no approver for this case. Okay, and there is no legal matter is associated. So I started the work. I mean, when I click on the start work button, the state will be changed to the work in progress. Now you can see the state is the work in progress. Okay, so let's say now what I want to do, I want to add a one approver. Okay, I am a Abraham Lincoln, but before starting this work, I need a approval from my manager. Let's say the senior advocate. I need a approval of my senior advocate. So I click on the initiate approval and I select my senior advocate, let's say able tutor, and kindly approve. Okay, I ask the able tutor to approve. When I initiate the approval request will go to the able tutor queue for the approve. Okay, so the able tutor, it is going to the able tutor queue. Okay, so now able tutor needs to approve this request. I am impersonating as a able tutor. Okay, I'm impersonating as a able tutor. Okay, and I have a capability, I mean as a senior advocate or a manager of Abraham Lincoln, I have a capability to approve or reject the request. So when I click on the my approval, this is the request. See, this is the request. Now I can approve or reject. So but I need to approve because we are testing the I am demonstrating you the legal matter management. So I approve. Now I again impersonate as Abraham Lincoln. Okay, I again impersonate as Abraham Lincoln. Okay, and I again go to the same legal request which I have. Okay, so I am again going to the legal request which I have. Okay, so in the same legal request, if you can see, that request earlier was in the requested form, but see, now this is approved. So that means as an officially we have approval to proceed further. Okay, so that is fine. Now what next I want to do, I want to, let's say I investigate this issue legal request, and I thought that I need to promote, I need to add a one existing matter on this or a create a matter. If I want to add any existing matter to this legal request, then I need to click on the add to existing matter, and simply this is a reference field which will refer the legal matter table, and we can add the matter here. Okay, and remember, one legal request can contain the multiple legal matter as well. But let's say I want to create a new matter. When I click on the create a new matter, it will ask the two things. I want to create the legal template without template or the with the template. So let's assume I already created one template, so I want to create through the template. So when I click on the template, I already created a one template, so it is automatically taking ethics template. Okay, I click on OK. When I click on OK, it will create a legal matter automatically and associated to this legal request. Now as you can see, this is the legal matter which is created automatically. Okay, which is the life cycle is the same: new, assign, work in progress, and close. And as a Abraham Lincoln, I assigned the legal matter to myself so that I can start work on that legal matter. Now you can see this legal matter has the matter owner who is the Abraham Lincoln, because I assigned to myself. And if I will click on the start and work, then it will refer to the change the state from assigned to the work in progress. Okay, in the same way as the legal request, we can also add the approval here, but I am not going to show you because in the legal request flow I already show you. I want to go to the main part of the legal matter, which is the phases. As you can see, there are three phases are automatically associated with this legal matter, and six tasks are automatically created and associated with this legal matter, and there is a one party which is involved with Abraham Lincoln, and there is no artifact and milestone. But if needed, we can add a milestone and the artifact as well to this legal matter. Okay, so this is how the legal matter are created. Now we cannot close the legal matter until or unless we have an open task. If I try to close it, it will throw an error. I am going to click, see, it is going an error, close or cancel the legal matter. Okay, so first we need to complete the task. Okay, first we need to complete the task. When we will finish that, when we will close the task, then we are able to close the legal matter. But before closing the legal matter, we also finish some other activities like phases and the milestone artifacts as well, if in case we have anything. Okay, so I hope legal matter process is clear to you. Now I am coming to the main point. Now main question is coming to your mind: how these phases are automatically associated to this legal matter, and how these tasks are created. Okay, so the main question is this: how these are automatically is created. So these tasks and these phases are created through the legal matter template. If you remember, in the theoretical session we learn about the legal matter template. So now I am ending the impersonation, and I am showing you how to create the legal matter template and how these tasks were created. So when I am going here and I am showing you the template under the legal matter, these are the few templates. So which was the legal matter? Ethics templates. So if I click on the legal matter at this ethics template, you can see there are the three same phases are defined here: initial assessment, evidence collection, and the final action. So these phases and these are the six same tasks which were created there, also configured here. So we can define the phases, task, approval from the legal template. This is the easiest and very good way to configure the legal templates. Okay, and the legal templates have the life cycle: draft state, approval state, publish, or the retire or cancel state. So let's say if we want to create 3 tasks, then we can define the task under the legal templates. I have created these 3 templates, but you can create as per your business requirement or as per your playing purpose. Okay, so you can play with your personal development instance. So in this session I teach you how the legal matter management is working, how the legal matter are associated with the legal request, how can we directly create the legal matter without associating with the legal request, what are the what are the legal matter templates, and how can we map the legal matter templates with the record producer. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you have any concern, any doubt, please do comment, and if you like my video, please subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.